How are investors making decisions on sustainable investments? That is a question I've been asking myself for some time now, and there is no easy answer. In my family, we've invested over several generations. We are entrepreneurs with a long-term mindset, growing successful businesses and pass it on to the next generation. However, looking at climate change, biodiversity loss, pollution, inequality, and other global crises, financial returns are not the ultimate goal anymore. I feel the urge, as many others from my generation, to take leadership in bringing real improvements and change to the world. Every day, we are approached by entrepreneurs and startups with sustainable solutions. But are their innovations actually better and more sustainable than existing products and services? And if so, how much better? You easily get distracted by innovative ideas, technology, and passionate people. So I ask myself, what is the evidence that these solutions are leading to real change and not having unforeseen negative consequences? In 2021, we've invested in a startup called S-Lab, and they had a clear vision on how to replace polystyrene in packaging products with 100% biodegradable material. But they needed support in making the impact measurable and operational. We have found a methodology that is coaching founders in the right direction.
In 2022, we had an opportunity to participate in the Impact Business Modeling Program. Today, we know exactly how many kilos of CO2 we reduce, cubic meters of water that we save, and tons of polystyrene that are eliminated from the landfills. Our investors can easily see the change that they invest into, and our customers understand the positive impact that our product has on their business.
Today, the Impact Business Modeling System, or IBMS, is our preferred methodology in understanding the impact of new ventures.
IBMS covers the whole impact business process, from defining the change, showing the evidence, engaging in systemic partnerships, to sustainable leadership. It is a 360-degree, easy-to-use and logical framework for integrating a positive sustainable impact into the core of the business. You can start working with any area, depending on your needs and preferences, aiming for your sustainable impact to become measurable, operational, and profitable.
We need to move away from treating the symptoms and start understanding the root causes to the problems. This helps startups to define and target the product and services and to achieve the change needed.
A fundamental element is having a clear and logical impact plan. First, you define the problem, and you imagine the long-term impact you will have if the problem is eliminated. This enables you to describe the desired changes. Finally, you design the activities that will deliver the change and find the indicators showing evidence that change and impact will happen.
To be able to measure impact, we identify key indicators, whether they are associated with the environmental, social, or economic assets. At IBMS, we look at the whole system, getting a broad understanding of the pros and cons of an innovation. And we zoom into the concrete, discovering the often hidden data and details behind. We work throughout all sectors with all kinds of tools. For example, we are collaborating and certified with Climate Impact Forecast. It's an LCA database tool made for new ventures discovering the climate impact potential in terms of avoided CO2 emissions.
Impact Business Modeling System is standing on the shoulders of design thinking and lean startup methodology. And obviously, we are also integrating current and coming regulations such as EU Taxonomy, SFDR, CSRD for startups and investors to align with.
With IBMS, I can advise startups while taking climate and the social and natural environment into account.
For almost 10 years, we have assessed over 8,000 startups with sustainable solutions, collaborating with the ecosystem of investors, incubators, accelerators, and more.
After an initial program using IBMS, we have learned how our coaches and program managers can improve their ability to help our startups with sustainable solutions and business models.
At IBMS, we have coached more than 100 companies with sustainable products and services. It has proven to create great value, also for venture capital funds.
This model helps us screen and assess startups coming our way. What has a tangible impact and what has not? When we have placed an investment, we can support our portfolio companies to create measurable impact and financial return.
We are building companies in the field of the circular economy with a focus on waste management and waste to energy. IBMS has become a preferred partner and a compass for us to use in decision making in order to find out which concepts we should pursue.